Dr. Mark T. Wade here, founder of Virtual Summit Software, creator of the One Day Summit, host of the Virtual Summit podcast. So I want to just do an update walkthrough on how to create an affiliate account in idev affiliate. Just to show you, again, step by step how to do it. Now, again, this is after you've already set up your idev account. So you would first, to set it up, go to the quick setup guide and literally just follow the steps listed here. That's it. Just follow. It tells you exactly what to do. The one thing to understand is when you're setting up like general settings or things like that, you are not going to put your website address, your domain. You're going to be putting the domain for your virtual summit. So you want to know what the domain is for your virtual summit. That is the domain you're going to put in idev. So don't put in, this is just for your summit. So don't worry about putting your actual website domain, only the domain that is for the summit. So I just want to say that because that's a very common mistake that happens. Now, you've gone through and you've done the quick setup guide. That's it. That's all you need to do there. Now let's go and do an affiliate. So you're going to go over here to approved accounts. Now you could send this out to your affiliates and let them sign up. And that's totally fine. If you want to just speed up the process and make it a little simpler and make sure you've tested everything and everything's good, you can go here to approved accounts. And obviously you won't have any accounts at this point. And then create an account. So at this point, what I like to do for my affiliates is I simply put their first name and last name as their username. And then I create a random password for the affiliate. So something that means something to you. And I use the exact same password for almost all the affiliates. This is just to give them access. They can change it later. Then you go back and you put the affiliate's first name, last name, and then an email. Okay, go ahead and put their account approved, and you can send them a welcome email here if you want. You don't have to, but that'll send them an email and give them access to it. Or what I like to do is I like to follow up with my affiliates and literally just give them their username, the password, and then their link, their affiliate link, which we'll do in a second. So then you just create account, and it'll either tell you it's a new account was created or not. And so once you see that account was created, you can just go in and change for the next affiliate or speaker in here. And then you would just update with the next speaker. You don't have to go out anywhere else. You would just go to the next one, create account, boom, and then another account, and then do your third and fourth, etc. So now that you've created the affiliate's account, the speaker's affiliate account, you go here into approved accounts again, and then search for that affiliate. Okay, there we go. We see that. So now we're going to go to manage account. So at this point, what you want to do is you want to do an account override. So account override right here, you're going to take your summit landing page where you're directing your traffic, and you're going to put that in here. So now this means you're directing all incoming traffic for this affiliate to this page, which is your landing page, which is your summit page. And you can decide here how long you want the cookies to last for, 30, 60, 90 days, 12 months, however. Then you save the settings, and now this affiliate's link, all traffic will be directed to that landing page, okay? And so now what we can do is go back out to the account snapshot. Then we can log in as the affiliate, and this takes you to their account. And here is their affiliate link right here. This is the one you'll want to grab. And then I always test my affiliate link. So I just do this step 1, step 2, step 3, put it in there, give it a whirl, and see that it redirects. Perfect. Go back to idev, and then you can actually even, if you hit account snapshot again, if you refresh this, you'll be able to see right here. Oops, back to this account snapshot. Boom, one hit. So I've tested it and I've confirmed that it's working. So that's how you set up your affiliate accounts, your speaker accounts in idev, and create their links and get their links to send to them. So it's that simple. It doesn't need to be anything more complicated than that. Just do that right there and you have all your links. And then what I would do is take their username and that password I created, as well as their affiliate link that I just created, which again, remember you can get when you log in as the affiliate. You can get that and right here, and I provide that to the speakers, and then they have everything they need. So that's a very simple process. It doesn't need to. I don't use anything else in idev other than that. So you don't have to overcomplicate it. You don't need to make it more difficult than that. The only thing I would say you want to do is when you are setting it up, you want to set what your what the commission percentage is. So are you doing 40%, 50%, etc. And that's going to be when you're setting up the accounts. That, and you can check here with the payouts. You're going to go to tiers, but we've got more information on that. And again, that's going to be when you set up your quick setup guide. So there's the idev run through on how you can create your affiliate links.